Yeah, yeah, good evening, team.
Good evening.
Is my screen visible?
Visible and you are audible, clear.
Yeah, I'm audible. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
thank you, sir. So we are good to go with this session. So last week we have been discussing about planning and preparation phase, and then stakeholder engagement. What all is on planning and preparation phase, sir? What all is on planning and preparation phase? 5 years objectives, 5 years goals like, hello, am I audible,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah. Please go ahead.
Yeah, we saw about 5 years objectives, then 5 years principles, the area for improvement, and then cross-functional team, and then need for 5 years. Then we talked about the equipments, tools, things that are required for 5 years, about basics of 5 years, and pilot a lot implementation, identification for the area of improvement. Correct, sir?
Correct.
Then we talked about stakeholder engagement. Correct, sir?
Correct.
What all we saw in stakeholder engagement, sir?
Mm. Who are all the committee members?
Stakeholders are classified into
Yeah, yeah.
internal
Should be
stakeholders and
founded.
external stakeholders.
External. Correct.
In internal stakeholders, we have top management, middle management, supervisors, 5S team, and then we have the last but not the least, the cross-functional team. And we discussed about the roles and responsibilities of each function and their merits and their the need in 5S implementation. Correct, sir?
Correct.
So today we will be talking about employee engagement. Why do we have employee engagement in 5S? Or what is the need for employee engagement in 5S, sir?
It starts with the employees.
Wonderful, sir. It starts with the employee. Then, sir,
Then see, employees who are working around the shop floor are going to get the benefit. Of course,
wonderful,
management will support, everything will be there. But as long as the engagements are very well within the employees, the effectiveness of the program implementation will become much easier.
wonderful, sir. Shaktivel, sir. Tanzim, sir. Karthik, sir. Vijay, sir. Ashad, sir. Shashank, sir. Shagar, sir. Mohammad Mansoor, sir. Are you with me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, please interact, sir, so that the session could be more knowledgeable and both of us can gain the knowledge, sir. Okay, sir. While having what are the problems we may have while having an employee engagement, sir? What are the problems that we may face when we have employee engagement?
One is resistance.
Wonderful, sir. We may have resistance. Then, sir,
I may feel additional work.
exactly, sir. One is resistance. Second one is fear of job. Third one is lack of involvement, and they are not trying to participate voluntarily. It could be also one of the reasons. Correct, sir?
Correct.
Sustaining the process.
Sustaining the process in the sense, sir. We are trying to correlate
Repeat,
sustaining.
sir, once again, sir.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, Deepak, sir.
From first
Deepak,
you
sir.
repeat, sir, again. Lack of involvement and before you.
Resistance.
Yeah, lack of involvement could be there. Resistance could be there. Fear of job could be there.
Okay, sir.
And they are not willing to participate. There is no voluntary contribution from the participants or from the employees. That could be also one of the reasons.
Okay.
So, how can we train them so that they can provide their contribution? Or what are the ways that can help them in make them engage?
Motivation.
What kind of motivation can we
By
do, sir?
training.
Sorry, sir.
Rewarding, incentivizing.
Exactly. Rewarding can be like small rewards, not big rewards. Small and continuous rewards on monthly basis. Then
Training.
public recognition, sir. What could be a public recognition be?
Their name can be
Displaying
displayed in
their
notice board.
name.
Wonderful, sir. Displaying their names could be done. Second one, sir. We can call for a town hall meeting every 3 months once or 6 months once, and then we can provide some mementos or gifts so that their name spreads across the company. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Correct.
Thereby moral.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Thereby moral of the employee is boosted.
Moral of the employee is boosted. It creates a competitiveness between the employees. It can also boost the company's performance. This can also helps in increasing the implementation of 5S. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What are the what could be the methods of making them training, sir? What are the ways you can try to make them get trained?
On the job training.
Wonderful, sir. You can provide them on the job training. Next, sir.
Then theoretical sessions for a limited time in their
can
work
have-
time itself.
Sir, play card, some hangings.
Wonderful, sir. Like having some visuals, having some role plays,
Placing charts on the shop floor.
visual aids. You can show them the visual aids before, after. You can have some gamification. You can conduct some quiz competitions and make them aware about 5S. Could be done now, sir.
Right.
Uh,
The charts language could be regional language.
It could be, it shouldn't contain large jargon, complex jargons. It should be simple and based on understandable language. Yes, sir. Krishnan, sir.
Yeah, easy to understand language.
Easy to understand.
Local language and a common language. Two things.
Common language. It could be both. If you have a mix of population.
Right.
Yes, sir. Then, sir. So, what all this can boost in turn? Employee engagement can.
Their involvement.
Wonderful.
Productivity,
Sorry, sir.
safety, quality, productivity.
Everything it can improve. Correct, sir. So, thank you for the support, sir. Now, let's get into detail. Since there are participants getting delayed, so we have been just having the introduction session, sir. So, as like last session, we will be having a small Q&A before we just start the session. So, which of the following best describes the purpose of Shitsuki in 5S? You can use chat box also, sir. Cleaning the workplace daily. Shitsuki means which year, sir?
Fourth.
Wonderful, sir. It is 4th. So, cleaning the workplace daily, developing a self-discipline to maintain standards, removing the unnecessary item, creating visual control. What could be the correct answer, sir?
B.
Option?
Option B.
B. Option B.
Yes.
Paradise. Correct, sir?
B.
B. Yeah, I'm talking about the same. Cleaning the workplace stands for 3rd. B stands for 4th. Removing the unnecessary item stands for 1S. Creating visual control A supports for 2S. Correct, sir?
But creating visual controls, why not it is in the third S?
Because 3rd purely stands for cleaning and shine, sir. Second S is for visual controls and sorting of set in order of the necessary items in place. So set in order can be done with the help of visual aids also.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Understood.
Okay, visual aids like symbols, signs, color codings, markings, labelings, shadow boards, tool boards.
Sir, this comes under 5th S and sustaining.
Which one, sir? No. Creating visual controls is part of 2nd S.
No, Shitsuke.
That is 4th.
4th S. Sairi, sorry.
C10.
Sairi.
Secrets of.
Sorry, sir. Can you come back, sir? Mansur, sir. Mansur, sir. Do you have any questions, sir?
Yeah, all we have written only the English words. That is where the confusion is.
Okay, I will update
Seri,
you, sir.
Siton, Siso.
Shitsuke.
Shitso, Shitsuke. 5th S.
No, sir. Okay, I will explain you, sir.
Yeah, please.
Seri, sir, first is Seri, second Siton, third Siso.
Siso.
Sikitso, Shitsuke.
Shitsuke. Yeah, it's sorry.
So it is 5th S.
5th S. Yeah. Sorry, it is 5th S, sir. Correct. So, what is the most effective way to implement sort? What is the effective way to implement sort? Conduct a RITAC camping, posting motivation,
Yeah.
increasing inventory level, adding more storage racks. So, option is
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, wait.
Which of this is a common visual control used in setting order?
Shadow board.
Shadow boards. We don't use Paratos, we don't use fishbones, we don't use control charts. The correct answer is shadow boards. Which steps in 5S helps preventing contamination and defects?
B, shine.
B, shine. Correct, sir. We don't think of cleaning prevents contamination and defects. So it's a part of shine. What is the primary reason for creating a 5S audit schedule? To monitor compliance and continuous improvement, to increase production speed,
To monitor compliance and continuous improvement.
So, to monitor and compliance and continuous improvement. The correct answer is option A. Which of these is an example of standardized in office environments?
Posting safety signs.
Common file naming, removing old chairs, cleaning desks daily, posting safety signs. So
common file naming convention. Common file naming convention.
Naming convention is standardized. Removing old chairs.
Offices.
Removing old chairs is 1S. Cleaning the desk is 3rd. Posting safety signs is 2S. The correct answer is common file naming convention. Correct, sir?
Correct.
Clear, sir?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Shaktivel, sir? Pratik, sir?
Yes, sir.
Vijay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Adarsh, sir? Shashank, sir? Sagar, sir? Arun, sir? Karthik, sir? Clear, sir?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Common. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Which of the following is a key success factor for sustaining 5S?
Management commitment and employee involvement.
High cost of tools, frequent machine breakdowns, and lack of visual controls.
Yeah.
Exactly, sir. The correct answer is option A. Which of these waste can be reduced by proper implementation of 5S?
Option D.
Because 5S supports waste reduction. Correct, sir?
Option D. Yes.
All the above.
D.
All the above. Which of these is a long-term benefit of 5S? Improved
Improved workplace and safety efficiency.
Yes, sir. It doesn't promote for increased paperwork. It doesn't promote for high inventory level. It also doesn't reduce employee trainings. So correct option is improved workplace safety and efficiency. Clear, sir?
Clear.
Yes,
Thank you, sir. So already we have discussed about employee engagement. Correct, sir?
Correct.
So what is employee engagement? Building ownership and discipline and sustainability. The emotional and practical commitment of employee to actively participate, own and sustain the workplace. Correct, sir?
Yes.
So why employee engagement is critical for 5S? Why do we think employee engagement is critical? So 5S is already we have discussed. 5S is people driven. So here we require daily discipline. We have to monitor them on daily basis, and then without employee engagement, 5S fails. So sustainability depends on behavior. Correct, sir?
Right.
So
Yes.
that is the reason employee engagement is critical in 5S. So 5S is purely a people driven. It requires daily monitoring. Without employee engagement, 5S fails. So here the sustainability purely depends upon the behavior. Correct, sir?
Right.
Everyone is
Yes.
agreeing to this, sir?
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir? Can I proceed, sir?
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
what do we here is a differentiate between employee engagement versus compliances. What is engagement and what is compliances? Many times as an auditor, we think we face this. What does compliance means?
Complaints are
They should do. They
set
should
of
do.
books. Set
Yeah.
of by default you have to do.
Compliances they should do.
Engagement means voluntarily you have to.
So in 5S, will employee engagement succeeds or employee compliance will succeed?
Engagement will succeed.
Only engagement only will succeed.
So whenever you try to make them compliance, you definitely fail. Correct, sir?
Correct.
Yes.
So we have to do by ourselves, not by an external factor. So that is the basic of employee engagement. Correct, sir?
Correct.
Mansoor sir, Krishnan sir, Shaktivel sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
correct.
sir. Yes, sir.
Pratik sir. So why do we consider employee as a key factor for 5S? Why do we consider them as a key factor, sir?
Because they are involved in the work.
They are involved in the work. Second one, sir, they are close to the workplace.
They know their place and work better than anyone.
Wonderful, sir. Because we ourselves, when we are working, we know that what are the waste that we do. So we can provide a suggestion by trying to remove or reduce the waste. So whenever we try to reduce the waste, in turn, it improves the productivity. It improves the profitability of the organization. Correct, sir?
Right.
Yes.
So employees
Anyone who visits the workplace, they can see the overview, but they cannot get insights. Only
exactly, sir. Excellent, sir. So everyone can go to the workplace, but the person who is working in the workplace knows the work better than the person who is supervising it. Correct, sir?
Yes, yes.
So employees are close to the workplace. First point. Second one is they can identify the waste better than anyone because they are the one who are really involved in working. And owners of standards, they are the first line of sustainment. Correct, sir?
Correct.
Yes.
So this is why we consider employee as the key driving factor of 5S. So what are the roles of employee in 5S? They try to identify the waste, organize the workplace, clean the workplace, follow the standards, and last one, promotes for continuous improvement. Correct, sir?
Correct.
By providing suggestions and improvements. So these are the roles of employees in 5S. So they have to identify the waste, they have to organize the workplace, they have to maintain cleanliness, they have to follow the standards, and the last one is provide suggestions and improvement. Correct, sir?
Yes, yes.
So how does the employee engagement starts? First, sort. What they do in sort? They identify the waste, unnecessary items, they use red tagging, and then move them for decision ownership with the team. Decision ownership here lies with supervisor. Correct, sir?
Right.
Yes.
The supervisor can decide whether it can be discarded or it can be preserved for next audit or next project. Then the second step is the employee designs the layout, decides the tool location, and visual management inputs. So how does employee decides the layout? How can an employee decides the layout, sir? Mansud sir, Krishnan sir, Shaktivel sir, Deepak sir, Pratik sir.
So design layout is nothing but
Employee
what are the
name for during a process when you set the process flow.
Yes, sir.
design layouts is nothing but where we need to quarantine the unnecessary items. Okay. And,
Okay, sir.
Sir, this can be process layout.
Excellent, sir. It is process layout, sir. I'm waiting for this answer. So
Yeah.
consider you are having machine number 1 here. Consider you are having machine number 2 here. Consider you are having machine number 3 here. An operator goes from machine 1, 2 and comes back. Correct, sir?
Yes, yes.
So instead, if you are placing the machine here, instead of here, can you see the wastage of time? Motion
Yes, sir.
wastage can you reduce?
Yes, yes.
So this kind of suggestion comes only from the operator. If many times we see in an organization where operation 1 performed here, operation 2 performed here, operation 3 performed here, operation 4 performed here. Then the middle comes for operation 5. Have anyone seen like this, sir? First it comes from here to there, then there to here, it goes here and comes back here. So can you see the middle movement, sir?
Yes, yes.
So these all can be avoided when
Through
the
process layout.
employee can provide suggestion to modify the existing layout. Correct, sir?
Right.
Yes.
Second one, they can decide on tool location means they can decide, consider this to be a plant 1. They can decide on the tool storage can be here, or it can be between 2 machines, or it can be placed at the center so that everyone gets access out of it, so that you can try to reduce the manpower movement. Correct, sir?
Sir, if it is frequently required, we can place it
Can
in
be placed
between.
near, sir.
Obviously.
So already
Sequence
we
of
know
process.
if it is required on daily basis, place near the machine. It is required on weekly basis, you keep something somewhere near to the machine. Not in the machine, near to the machine. It is used on rarely basis. You keep
Tool
some.
in the sense, if it is a press and die means, then one set of products will be made through one press and another set of products will be made through another press tool. So changing of dies will not be frequent. If it is required weekly basis or monthly basis.
Based on this, we can go for a SMED, sir. So that the next tool that has to be loaded can be prepared and kept in an area where you can go and pull the trolleys, or the concerned team can move the material to the place near to the machine so that you can change it easily.
Yeah, this is dependent on product. For example, one set of die is used for only one set, one variety of product means that variety of product may run in production for a week or a month's time. After a month or week only, another set of tool may require. In that case, it can be kept at distance.
It can be kept at a distance, sir. Here the logic is you will be designating the area. Since we are talking about 5S, even you can have your tool room over here. But the thing is, here is the place for the tool to be placed for the next shift or the next day production. So
Yeah, it depends on the type of tool.
yeah, you
Small
pick the
hand tools can be kept near, big dies, jigs, fixtures can be kept in a storage area.
exactly, sir. So these kind of suggestions comes from the operator, so that they know from where to get the material on easy
Small
basis.
tools can be kept in tool trolley itself.
Exactly, sir. Then the third one is visual management inputs. They also suggest for visual management inputs like PPEs, signboards, gangway in, out, where to have safe assembly point areas, way for metal movement from start, where the metal should start and where the metal should end. In many industries, we have a material inward and outward separately. Correct, sir?
Yeah.
They will be designating this as inward for material and this will be for outward material, so that the forklift or the metal movement equipment doesn't comes inside the plant, so that they feel safety. Correct, sir?
Correct. And also no mix up actually.
No mix up between input or output.
Walking pathways, designated walking pathways,
Yeah, that is gangways.
gangways.
So this could be like gangways where they can walk inside. They can use, they can have the symbols like way in, way out, emergency exit, the place where to store the tools, place where to store the materials, gauges, instruments, and then markings for the machines. These could be done with the help of visual management inputs. That can be done in second years. Third one is daily cleaning.
Safety cones they can place.
Exactly, sir. They can have the display boards also. Then Shine third year stands for daily cleaning ownership, sir. We have discussed daily cleaning, weekly cleaning, and monthly cleaning, and annual cleaning. Correct, sir? Daily cleaning is
Yes.
a part of operator role. Before start of the machine, they perform CLIT. We have discussed last week. CLIT.
Yeah.
Clean, lubricate, inspect, and tighten.
Inspect and tighten. Yeah.
So this they have to be done on daily basis. So they prepare a cleaning ownership, then cleaning and inspection mindset. So usually whenever we talk about TPM, it is a role and responsibility of maintenance. So that has to be changed. Cleaning should be a part of operators. Mass cleaning is a part of maintenance. Daily cleaning is a part of operator routine. Then early defect identification. Whenever you clean the machine, you find there is any noise, abnormalities, or wear and tear of machine, you can note them on daily basis. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Then standardize, create SOPs, create visual standards, and peer-to-peer training. You can learn from your colleagues. The last one is sustenance, self-audits, daily discipline, continuous improvement mindset. So this way we can try to engage the employees. Clear, sir?
Clear.
Yes.
So please describe early defect detection. Hello? Hello,
Dinesh
can
sir,
you hear me?
there is a question. Dinesh sir,
My question is, please describe again about the early defect detection.
I think Dinesh sir,
Dinesh sir,
network-
can you hear me?
I think there are network issues.
Yeah, of course.
It seems.
He got disconnected.
Me, sir?
Welcome back.
Yeah, sorry, sir. I
Yeah,
lost
we
that.
are here.
Sorry, there was some network issues. I lost the connection.
So there was a question
Yeah,
from
audible,
Jagat.
Yes,
Dinesh
sir.
sir,
Yes,
there was
sir.
a question on 3S, third S, that
Early
early
detection
detection.
of
Jagat
Yes,
defect.
sir.
sir were asking.
Early detection means, sir?
Means he want to have some explanation about the early defect detection.
Yeah. Who is it, sir?
Jagat Parmar sir asked this question.
Yeah, early detection means, sir, whenever you're cleaning the machine, you find that belt is worn out. You find some abnormalities in the machine so that you can detect them early before it gets failed. Whenever you look into your machine, you find that the oil levels are low. So you try to refill them so that the moving parts doesn't get breakdown. Clear, sir?
Yes.
Who was asking it, sir?
Jagat Parmar sir.
I think, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me, sir? Dinesh, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir. I have answered
Yeah,
you.
sir, please, sir, describe again early defect detection.
Sir, early detection means, sir, whenever you are performing cleaning, lubricating, inspect, and tightening.
Of course.
So whenever you are cleaning, you can see that all your parts are clean.
Okay.
Correct, sir?
Yeah.
Whenever you are trying to lubricate the parts, you can find that the oil levels are up to your level or not. So
Yeah, it
that
is
you
required. It is benchmarking. Yeah, standard
yeah,
for every
so
machine.
that
Yeah.
you can find that if the oil levels are, you are not monitoring your oil levels, that can cause wear and tear of your uh, pneumatic components or lubricating. It can produce friction, it can heat the machine, and can even certain case it can blast also. Correct, sir?
Yeah, of course.
Sir, in hydraulics, it is
And
It is a hydraulic system.
life
Yeah, it is
threatening.
very required. Yeah,
So
lubrication is mandatory. It's very important for hydraulic
second one,
system. Yeah.
second one, third one is inspection. When you are performing inspection, you can find that the temperatures are very high. If, in case of motors, you can find that whenever you inspect that the belts are properly tightened. There is any slack in the belt. There is any worn out in the belt, or you can find that is there any faulty alarm, like your sensors are not working, your positions are not being placed on time. Correct, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, I have seen in tube crimping machine, they were doing hydraulic tube crimping with the fitting.
Yes, sir.
And it was nut was not tightened on the hub properly. It just fly away with huge speed. If any person was present, means surely he will be severely injured.
Exactly, sir. So that could be one of the possible cause, sir. And
It
the
can be
last
even life threatening.
life 30. The last one is tightening of bolts, sir. Tightening is nothing but just tightening the tools, jigs, fixtures within the machine. It is also like tightening the bolts. Since every machine runs, there will be the loosening of bolts and nuts. Correct, sir?
Yes, yes.
If you are not tightening them, it can cause vibration. The vibration can pull out the performance of your machine. Correct, sir?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So these are the basics. So it can avoid you from major defects. So it can provide a level 1 prevention. So whenever everyone has two-wheelers and cars, so we have our dashboards in car. Correct, sir?
Correct.
Yeah.
So whenever we find that the alarms are indicated, we do take action immediately.
Okay.
In our cars also, we try to clean our cars on daily basis. We try to monitor the lubrication parts like brake oil, uh, wiper oil, and coolant oil every weekly once or 10 days once. Correct, sir?
Right.
Air pressure weekly once. Why we are doing this? These are part of preventive maintenance. If you are not monitoring them on a daily basis, this can cause a massive breakdown. Correct, sir?
Right.
So these Sir, really sorry, sir. There is some network
I
issue going
think
on.
there is network issue.
Sorry, sorry. I try to sort out by tomorrow, sir. Sorry.
Oh, fine.
So I have answered you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I agree, sir. The
Sir,
preventive
in
maintenance
latest
is also
cars, they are
early
providing
defect detection.
temperature of lubricant oil.
Exactly, sir.
We cannot monitor it daily, so it is impractical. So they are providing it in dashboard.
Yes, sir. We have nowadays
Frequency
also
we
tire
can,
pressure,
the
tire pressure
frequency
sensor
of
also available in
frequency
our
of
latest
parameter
cars.
checking is also can be defined, no?
Sorry, sir.
For each machine. The frequency for parameter checking,
Yes, sir.
it can be also defined for the preventive maintenance.
Yes, sir. It is
Yeah.
automatically done by the maintenance team, sir. They prepare the checklist and give to you, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
basically, basically, see, I am from an equipment background. Okay, in the equipment manual itself, there are certain preventive maintenance schedules, which every shift you have to see, every day you have to see, and every week you have to see. Like that, there are 4 different levels. In the manual itself, we give the to-do checklist actually. Okay, because this particular equipment is about an assembly of more than 1,000 parts.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
agreed, sir. Agreed. Yes, 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 yes.
But
For each
rarely
machine,
it will be followed.
it is
But rarely it will be followed.
already defined in
No, no.
detail in each manual, each machine manual.
Exactly. So, rarely followed means you will not see the consequence immediately. Maybe
Rarely followed, and after 2 years they will say that they don't know where is the manual.
Sir, in this case only, instead of preparing the manual, we go with checklist. So we are trying to standardize the checklist. The manuals are being converted into checklist, and it is been bifurcated into.
Sir, that can be hanged on the machine.
It has to be verified on daily basis, sir.
No, we can prepare a checklist according to the manual in a summary.
Exactly, sir.
That can be hanged
That
on
will
the
be
machine.
also usable na, for operator also.
This manual, based on this manual,
every time we cannot read the manual, yeah, or operator cannot read the manual. But
yes, sir.
if the checklist, the summary of the checklist, that is always available for the review. I think it should be suitable for operators also.
Sir, during installation and commissioning of the machine for the first time, okay.
Hello?
Yeah, of course, first time it is very mandatory, it is required.
No,
but
no, no.
all the time
But
it is not required. No?
the INC engineers take the responsibility for teaching or giving the hands-on experience training on the preventive and also for the preventive, predictive, and breakdown maintenance. All 3 types of maintenance. The engineers used to train the operators. Okay. Not necessarily it may be applicable for all the industry. It is case to case.
Sir, it depends on industry to industry. In aerospace, it is must. They must check everything.
Yeah, it's depend upon the production capacity also, no? How much produce the machine,
Yeah.
the capacity of the machine. It is also important.
Jagat sir,
Yeah, sir.
Mansur sir and Srikanth Krishna sir. Basically, the manuals what we are getting it from the manufacturer. Our maintenance team will prepare a checklist. This checklist will be categorized into daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly. Daily is the responsibility of the operator. Quarterly, monthly, weekly are the responsible of maintenance team. Clear, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the daily activities has to be monitored and acknowledged in the checklist. It will be verified by the maintenance team on weekly basis when they are performing weekly cleaning or monthly cleaning. If there is any fault finding, it has to be immediately reported to the concerned supervisor or the HOD so that it don't cause any major breakdown in the future.
Yeah, this is
Okay,
the proper process.
Yes, sir. So shall I continue with the slide, sir?
Yes,
No,
yes.
thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
So we have been discussing about the training for employee engagement. So one could be 5 years awareness, hands-on training, and the third one could be on-the-job training. So leadership role is leadership should lead by example, encourage the participants, recognize the efforts, and support with ideas. So we as a leadership management team, we have to support the team with we should be a role model. We should encourage them in participation, recognize the efforts, and support with ideas. Correct, sir?
Correct.
So recognition motivation can be Best 5 Years Area Award, employee recognition, and celebrate with the help of a team. Common engagements are like common challenges are like resistance to change, lack of involvement, top-down approach, and there is no recognition. It's also a challenge. How to overcome this is involve them early, listen to them, listen to the concern, appreciate small win, and the last one is continuous communication. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Involve early. What is the meaning of involve early?
Involve early is involve them at the initial state of initial
Initial project scope itself.
Well, before the installation or what?
No, exactly. Involvement
implementation phase. Sir.
right from day one.
Honest,
Right from day
day
one.
one. Right from day one. That
Okay.
is early. Involve them early, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Right from day one. Okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. The benefits of strong employee engagements are clean and safe workplace, higher productivity, improved morale, and the last one is sustainable bias. So the involvement can be first we try to encourage them, train them, empower them, communicate them, and then the last one could be rewards and recognition. Correct, sir?
Yes.
What is empower?
Sir, empowering means we are giving a zone for them. A zone is a big layout of the plant.
Authority is
consider-
also empowerment, no?
So consider
If
this
we are
could be a
giving-
layout. So you are dividing the you are building your organization into 4 zones. Correct, sir?
Right.
You will be assigning them with zone leaders. In that particular zone, you are bifurcating them into based on cell or based on sequence of machine, and then you are empowering them. This is operator 1, this is operator 2, this is operator 3. At least the area where the operators are working, they are the owners of that particular area. Correct, sir? That is
Yes.
empowering. So they are the owners of that particular area.
Leaders.
Responsibility, sir. Responsibility and authority is also the tool for empowerment, no?
Exactly.
If we are authorizing them as a leader, they are
yes, sir.
empowered.
So here empowering means you are bifurcating your zone into subzones, and each subzones or each machines they are empowering. You are empowering an employee with a particular machine. If operator A is performing the machine 1, you are empowering that operator A is responsible for the improvement activities in that particular area, in that particular machines. Because whenever you have a machine, you have drawers, cupboards, jigs, fixtures, tools placed in them. Correct, sir?
Yes.
So you are empowering him to involve them in 5 years directly or indirectly. Clear, sir?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, I am facing some network issue. So please respond whether I am within you or I am disconnecting it. I don't know. Please respond. Thank you, sir. So second topic for today is visual management. What is meant by visual management, sir? Or what is called as visual management?
Instead of writing, we can show it through visuals.
Okay.
That can be seen by the operators or what stakeholders.
So what all can be in visual management?
They ask you shown easily identifiable visuals.
Gangway, all the part of the visual management.
Actions,
One
safety related symbols,
signs.
Safety signs. Gangways.
Second one.
Gangways.
Color codings.
Color coding, gangways.
The gangways is part of color coding, sir.
Yeah, of course.
Then third one, sir.
Red tags.
Third one. Red
Sorry,
tags.
sir.
Red tag area.
Red tags. Next, sir.
Next,
Sir, in
work
some
instructions.
assembly lines,
Work instructions.
directly they take photos and photos of physical product, and they instruct how to assemble. For example, if it is assembly consists of 10 subparts, they
can be like
are
display, sir.
We can say display boards.
completely taking photos and hanging on the assembly line, saying that how the product should be assembled. This can be considered as visual management.
OPL.
Shadow board.
1 point lesson, sir.
Yeah.
1 point lesson with process workflows in a pictorial manner.
Yes, sir.
Pictorial, yeah.
Then
work instructions is also part of the visual management.
Work instructions, signboards, colors. Sir, we missed many things in visual boards.
Shadow board.
Shadow boards.
Shadow boards.
Indication lamp.
Indication, sir. That is labeling. So
Indication.
signboard,
Labeling.
labeling, sir. Where else we can use labeling,
Labels.
sir? Where else you can have labels, sir? One good example of labeling.
On off push button.
On off push button, sir. Labeling is very much seen in pharmacy.
Pharmacy. Okay.
Whenever you go to pharmacy, you see that every box are labeled in proper manner with proper location. Correct, sir?
Correct.
So labels. Then, sir, dashboards.
Bins can be used for visual management.
Of course.
Bins can also
Storage
be
bins.
used. Bins
Yeah.
will comes in color codes, sir. Color codes is a part of what all we can have in color codes. We can have bins.
Pipe means.
We can have pipes. You can have pipes with color coding. You can have
Traffic signal is to have traffic
Sir,
signal.
pipes,
Yes.
tubing.
materials you can have in color coding.
Material color coding. Material color
Material you
coding.
can have color coding. Bins you can have in color coding. Bins is not only bins used in hospital. You can have bins like material movement bin.
Material for storage. Material storage.
Input in one color, output FG in one color, raw material in one color, WP in one color, material with scrap in red color bins. Correct, sir? Material waiting for inspection could be in one bin. Correct, sir?
Correct, sir.
So,
Sir, safety helmet also. Visitor one color, worker one color, supervisor one color, manager one color.
PP basically.
Yeah.
PP.
Correct.
So these are some of the parts of visual management. But why do we need to have visual management in 5S?
Immediately recognizable.
One is immediately we can respond to it. Easy to understand.
The lower management basically it is depend upon the lower management.
Can identify.
They can understand by visual very easily.
Exactly.
That's
sir.
why it is required.
Exactly, sir. You can easily understand. You easy to retrieve. It's a layman language. Correct, sir?
One picture says 1,000 words kind of thing.
Exactly, sir. You cannot explain everything by the operator with procedures and set SOPs. You can show them just before and after.
Right.
He can understand more than many procedures or many written documents or many SOPs. Correct, sir?
Correct, sir. Correct.
You can just have a image. One is before and another one is after. He can understand that before it was like this. Now it has modified. So instead of this, you can have to write procedure number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can have some guidelines. It can save much time. Correct, sir?
Right.
Yes.
So now visual management is clear, sir.
Sir,
Can we
what
get
is
into the topic?
OPL?
1 point lesson, sir.
1 point.
Lesson.
Example.
1 point lesson is the set of procedures you have to follow. It's like a visual procedure, sir. We know SOP is a written document, like numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct, sir?
Okay.
Instead of numbering, instead of having the words, you can have the images. Whenever you go to an airport, you have the symbol 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct, sir?
Arrival, departure.
Exactly,
Gate
sir.
number. Gate number.
Check-in.
Arrow is also OPL.
Right.
Yeah.
Arrow is
So
also
here-
demarcated. The way of direct way we can
Dustbin,
go.
toilet.
Exactly, sir. So this is OPL, sir. First one is you have to check in, then back check-in, security, immigration, and boarding. This is a small OPL.
Okay.
So instead of this, you can have a written document, but instead of understanding by written, you are explaining them with images.
1 point
Lesson.
lesson. 1 point lesson.
Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Pratik, sir, okay, sir?
Yes.
So visual management is a visual factory is a manufacturing facility in which the process, instructor, directions, and statuses are visualized physically in some way across the shop floor. Clear, sir? So it is self-explanatory, self-regulatory, and self-managing. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Correct.
So whenever you see this, you know that tools has to be placed in a proper manner. Self-explaining. Correct, sir?
Right.
Yeah, of course.
Self-regulating means what tools to be placed on where. Correct, sir?
They are giving some instruction to
Sir,
regulate
in
the.
doors also push pull it is mentioned.
Exactly, sir.
They are giving instruction to how to manage this thing.
Yes, sir. The third one is self-managing. Self-managing means you visualize that what is missing by visualizing them. So it is self-explaining,
Leads to
self-regulating,
discipline
and
also.
self-managing. Yes, sir.
It leads to discipline also.
Exactly, sir. Clear, sir?
Clear.
So visual management, the visual management in 5S is 5S creates a foundation. Visual management makes abnormalities visible and controllable. So you see these boards on many industries. Red color means accident. Green color means zero accident. Many organizations place these boards at the entry of the
Safety
gate.
calendar. This is safety
Safety
calendar,
ca-
right?
Example of safety calendar. So you can see whenever you see that they are green, you can find that there are zero accidents. So if there is many accidents, you have to take a control of it. So with the help of visual management, you try to figure out what is the level of abnormalities and what should be the controllable actions. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Correct, sir. Correct.
So the objective of visual management is it improves transparency, reduces errors, enable fastness, and improves discipline. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Pratik, sir, Mohammed, sir,
Yes.
Srikanth, sir, Jagat,
Yes.
sir, Arun, sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vijay, sir, Deepak, sir, Ashad, sir, Shashank, sir,
Yes, sir.
Prakash,
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Arun,
sir.
sir, Karthik, sir,
Understood.
correct, Sagar, sir, Arindam, sir. Clear, sir? Are you with me, sir?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. So the visual managements are classified into 4 different types, sir. One is visual control. So visual control is marking them with boundaries or visual control. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Like gangways, doors open, close, pathways, entry, exit, critical ways, critical path, forklift, metal movement, manpower movement. Correct, sir? These are visual controls. Visual displays are dashboards. Correct, sir? Mohammed, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Visual standards are standards. Like yellow color on purpose, yellow color for gangway, red color for defects, orange color for WAP, black color for WAP, orange color for inspection, blue color for supports, green color for finished goods. So these are control charts. So you are usually you are using the visual standards. Visual warnings like symbols. Many organizations use hand-on systems also. Like they will be having a tower lamp. Whenever there is a problem, the tower lamp shows the warning signal. Have you noticed that?
Yes, sir. Every machine has this tower lamp.
So it is visual warnings. So visual management are classified into 4: visual controls, visual displays, visual standards, and last one is
A
visual
supervisor
warning.
from distance can identify the emergency.
In many companies, they have in electronics manufacturing industries also they will have like number of parts found okay, number of parts found defective. It will be displayed in a counting manner. Correct, sir?
Yeah.
And in many banks also we can see that the token numbers are displayed to avoid rushing of to avoid queue. Correct, sir?
Right.
Yes.
So these are the types of visual management, sir. So visual management are classified into signs, labels, color-coded tapes, area boundaries, shadow boards, tool outliners, hand-on system, Kanban cards, visual cleaning schedules, visual
Sir,
step.
hand-on is the tower light, right?
Exactly, sir. Hand-on. Hand-on is tower light. Visual step-by-step.
What, in which language it is called as hand-on, sir? And
It's Japanese language, sir.
So
Okay.
what is Kanban cards?
Kanban cards, sir.
Yes.
For inventory management.
Inventory management. Exactly, sir. So hand-on system is called as a Jidoka system, sir. So stop, fix, and start the process. So
Please
whenever
give
Okay.
there is a
example.
problem, You
Please
press
give
the
example.
button, so your production line stops. You fix them, you correct them, and then you start the production.
Simple automation.
Yes, sir.
Simple automation or stopping?
It is mainly used in automotive sector, sir. Whenever you are producing, it is a chain system where you are
Sir, you lost your voice.
producing a problem. You stop the
Here,
process.
No,
here
then
sir,
we are.
please repeat. Sir, please
Sorry, sir.
repeat.
Here we are using 6.1 and 6.2 performance dashboard and dashboard. What is the
Yes, sir.
difference between the performance dashboard and dashboard?
Performance dashboard will be like PQCDSM, sir.
Can you show one example for that?
I will show you, sir. I have
Yeah.
sessions today and tomorrow. I will show you tomorrow, sir.
We can better understand.
I will show you, sir. Next, sir. Pratik, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. The next one is color codings, and the last one is visual clues. Clear, sir?
So what is
we know
visual
about-
clues, sir?
Sir, visual clues are like arrows, footprints, symbols, and guides. Arrows
Yeah.
mean signboards. Footprints, you can have the symbol of walking and which way you should walk. Symbols and guides, workflow guides indicates the direction of process. So these are some of the visual clues. I will show you the examples I have, sir. So regarding floor marking,
Floor marking.
so floor marking we have common standards like yellow color for gangways and path,
Okay, sir.
white color for racks, red color for scrap areas, orange color for inspection bits, green color for finished goods, blue color for raw material, black color for WPs. Black and yellow are restricted for man movement inside the plant. Red
Alarming
color for
attention,
areas. Yes, sir.
risky area.
Whenever you are operating with robots, you will be designated the outside boundaries with yellow with black, so that you don't interfere into the zone, so that you are not affected by the movement of robots. Robot arms, or if you have having some special process, you are not allowed to enter it. Like you have some cranes moving up and down, so you are not allowed to move in that particular areas. Or intersection of man and metal movement. Then red color, red with white are kept for some safety reasons, like you have some drainages, pit holes. And the last is black with white areas to be kept clear for operational purpose. Clear, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
which standard is used for this?
We don't have standards, sir, but these are some of the guidelines that has to be followed for floor markings and bins and bin color codes.
Okay, okay.
So like I have told you, here's a machine and these are the areas where we are restricted to move within these gangways. And there will be some floor markings, like whenever you are getting down, you will be having a marking of 5S. Here you are having some boundaries with white color, yellow color. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
And these are some of the examples, like some you are having some cylinders in that place. Sure, you are not allowed to move. You are having some trenches, the area for some restrictions. Here's the way for man movement. Here's some warning symbols. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Clear, sir.
And visual controls for quality controls, like you can measure the CPCPK value. You can have some defects monitoring dashboards, like shift wise how much defects are found, or day wise how much defects found, or process wise how much defects found, or departments wise you can how much monitor them, and it is up to the level or not, or what are the types of defect you can classify, and then you can have a
Control charts. Control charts.
Yes, sir. Exactly, control charts.
Just by visualizing, we can identify the process is under control or
It's
not.
under control or not. Exactly. Then you can monitor them, like for a shift you need 6 bins. For process A you need 6 bins. So you can visualize that if the number of bins are less, you can identify that there is a shortage of raw material. With this you can plan to plan with the sourcing or supply chain to bring back the material. So here, these are the designated area for storage locations, and we find that there's a gap. So that you can ask them to refill it. In many places where you have LHRH components, so right hand and left hand components, you can have a designated location so that you don't mix or you don't interpret that components are available correct or wrong. Then you can have a bin quantities like 10, 20, 30, so that if there is any shortage, the racks in the bin can denote you that the number of shortages. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
these are some of the visual controls for tools, sir. So you can have the tools in racks. So if there is any shortage, so here green color are abnormal and red color are shortage. Whenever you find that the materials are moving from red to green, you have to indicate the team, or you have to refill the materials from the concerned department from whom you have issued it. And here are the levels. Whenever the materials are above green color or safe or above your safety stock, whenever it is less, you have to refill it. Correct, sir?
Yes.
And these are visual safety stock levels. So whenever you find that the components are above this white color line or safety stock, below this or shortage, you have to refill it. Clear, sir?
Yes, yes.
These are two bin system. So you will be having metal with two bins. Once this bin is emptied, you will be moving to the Kanban system. So the responsibility of the sourcing team is to refill them within the stipulated time. Correct, sir?
Yes.
So here you are having a color codes for every process. For input, here you are performing process 1 and process 2. So process 1, we are having two inputs. Input A is with orange color and input B is with red color. So the subassembly 1 will be in dark blue color. So you are performing process 2 with three inputs. One is subassembly 1 and then subassembly 2. The third one is input C. So that you can find there is no mix up of materials. And you can easily identify how much you have in the material. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
So these are some of the visual control tools used in manufacturing or assembly process. And with respect to tools, so you have shadow boards for tools, shadow boards for housekeeping equipments, shadow boards or tool boards for tools. These are another way of mounting the tool boards. This is for bins, shadow boards for bins, color coding bins for waste, hazardous, non-hazardous, plastic, and then biodegradable. We can have color codes and we can designate them. Correct, sir? Mansoor, sir, Pratik, sir, Deepak, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. So these are some of the tools for having the materials in stock. So as we discussed about visual controls, these are the visual controls for pressure indicators. This is for oil level indicators. Then we have color coding pipes. In hospitals, we use many number of pipes. Green color for water, red color for oxygen, orange color for hydrogen.
Or gases also, no? Yeah.
All gases.
Yeah,
Pipelines
of
means
course.
it comes as either fluid
In
or gas.
industrial field also,
For fluid or gases, both.
Both. You can nomenclature them according to your purpose.
Yeah.
In generic,
Yeah, in
color
many
coding-
reputed industries also we can find that color coding in
There
pipe.
is ISI mark. There is IS standard also for the color coding, pipe color coding for gases.
Yes,
Blue
sir.
means compressed air, red means vacuum.
Exactly, sir.
We can
So it can
we can
depend.
refer this standard also, no, for IS standard.
Yeah, it can be also referred, sir. And you can also define them based on your applications also. So the benefits of strong visual management are you can identify the problem faster, high discipline, improve safety and sustainability. Correct, sir?
Yes, yes.
The benefits of visual management are understanding the current state of the production line, able to grasp abnormalities immediately, grasp the trends of various metrics, neat and clean looking workplace, quick onboarding of new circuits, new recruitees, simplify things and convey key information quickly. So now we are moving to the steps in implementation 5 years, sir. So what are the steps that are involved in implementation of 5 years, sir?
Management commitment, first of all.
Mohammed sir, Mansoor sir.
Management commitment.
First, management
of all.
commitment.
First one is top management. So top management, first they create the 5 years objectives. Correct, sir?
Correct.
Yes.
sir.
After 5 years objectives,
Vision and mission.
Preparation.
vision,
Planning and preparation.
vision, and then comes the organization structure. So the
Yeah.
foundation is 5 years objectives. What all can be the 5 years objectives, sir?
These objectives are basically related with the workplace, how we can manage the workplace.
Sorry, sir.
5 years objectives are basically these are the objectives to for workplace, how we can manage the workplace in better way.
What all could be like
Cleanliness.
name,
Sir,
cleanliness,
implement of-
Cleanliness, maintenance,
No, no.
defects,
displays. Displays
Defects,
can be indexing
accidents.
the accidents, zero
Increasing
accident or
efficiency of workers.
Exactly, sir. These are some of the 5 years objectives. So the
motivation.
organization
Motivation is
starts
also.
because the implementation starts with 5 years objectives. So the management has a vision that management has objectives that there should be zero breakdown or zero accidents.
Zero accident can be objective.
So that could be the objective. From the objective, they are drill downing them into vision and mission. Correct, sir?
Right.
Yeah.
So what is vision?
Mission is to eliminate the causes for accidents.
Exactly, sir. Vision could be a long term.
Mission is a long term. Vision is a basically how we can follow this standard.
Sir, basically, vision is a long term, more than 5 years or 10 years, and mission is a short term.
Okay.
So the objectives are then converted into vision and then mission. So
Okay.
the vision statement could be the organization is trying to perform zero objectives into vision statement. From the vision statement, they could deep dive into mission statement. So what are the steps that can be taken? Could be a mission statement.
Oh, yeah.
Sir, please
Then-
give me example.
I am coming to the next slide, sir. I will explain to the next slide. Then comes your organization structure. The organization structure can be starting from top management,
Steering committee.
steering committee, 5S coordinator, 5S team leader, and 5S team. So this is how your top management behaves. Clear, sir?
Clear, sir, clear. Very clear.
So can anyone help me in reading this, sir? So 5S objective is to
have a safe,
Yes.
well organized and productive workplace and provide
Yes.
high quality products and services. To
Exactly,
have
sir.
5S culture in the workplace forever and to create and maintain an organized, clean and efficient workplace by implementing 5S.
So now we are clear with 5S, Pratik, sir.
Yes, sir.
So from this 5S, so we are reading a mission statement. So vision statement is vision excellence committed to 5S practice through effective teamwork, self-discipline, and continuous improvement towards achieving a clean, well-organized, and knowledge-filled training to promote successful quality managers. This is clear, sir?
Yeah. Sir, this can be,
Pratik, sir?
sir,
Clear,
This-
clear, sir.
sir, Dinesh,
Yes,
sir,
sir. Yes, sir.
the 5S objective, whatever you have written here, 3 points,
Yes, sir.
can it be the same for as the case may be?
So it can be different from organization to organization, sir.
No. See, objectives can be almost, it is only objective, right? These three
Yes,
are the only objective. At any point of time, suppose you take any sentences across these 3 statements. Okay,
Yes, sir.
productive workplace, right?
Yes, sir.
It applies to hospital industry, it applies to hospitality industry, and also any number of industries. I think
Yes, sir.
these three objectives can be common, is what my question is.
No. It can vary, sir. It
More
can
or less,
vary
it will be common.
because
It can
sir,
be based. I think the question is, Pratik, it can be based for the 5S objective in all kind of organization.
Exactly.
it is
Because at any point of time, we are focusing only on improvement of 4 areas, which is first and foremost is it's a safe working environment, improved productivity, improved quality, and improved employee morale. Okay. So at any point of the statements, we are meeting all these 4 requirements, which is the objective of the implementation of the 5S, right?
exactly, sir. But it varies from case to case. So if you are with automobile sector, example, you find that the searching time of the materials are very high.
Okay.
So we are defining an objective to trying to reduce the searching time of the components or parts through 5S implementation. If you are going for a hospital, you find that your TAT is very low. You can prepare your 5S that you are trying to improve the TAT of a hospital or TAT of employees. If you in hospitals also, if you find that there are you are trying to find delays in retrieval of patient records.
Dinesh sir, can we define the 5S objective for each process in a company, in an organization?
So you want me to prepare, sir?
Yeah. Can we define 5S objective for each process in an organization?
Yeah, sir. No, 5S objective is
Process
common
wise.
for the organization, sir. From the
Okay.
broader perspective, we are trying to drill down to each perspective. So
Okay.
with this objective only, it's like a starting point. From this
Common
objective, we are then drilled down to vision. From vision, you are splitting into various missions.
Okay.
So
Okay.
from mission,
Okay.
that is a mission could be the benchmark from where you are be trying to deploy 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S, and then you will be sustaining with 5S. Clear, sir?
Yeah, it is for organization. Okay.
So the next is the next step could be mission. So from vision, you have 5 missions. One is enhance productivity, improve safety, boost quality, foster team spirit. The last one is sustain continuous improvement. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Clear.
Then we have top management. The top management, as usual, they provide support. So the organization structure is like top management, steering committee, 5S coordinator, 5S team leader, and 5S team. The top management is nothing but all CXOs. What does top management provides?
Funds.
Strategy, direction.
Sorry, sir.
Funds.
Strategy, direction.
Facilities,
Resources, policies,
resources.
procedures.
Exactly, sir. So we get all this from top management. Steering committee is nothing but
They are managing basically. They are managing the policy and procedures.
Mid-level
in
management
organization.
team.
sorry, sir.
Mid-level management team.
Wheat level means
Mid
No,
level.
it's a
unit
Team
level.
not mid level.
after-
It's a top level committee.
Sir, here we have to understand the top management is all the CXOs, chief executives or chief financial officers or chief managers or
Okay.
CEOs. The steering committee is the unit head or the plant head.
Okay.
So from the top management, it comes to the plant head. From plant head, you have 5S team leaders. From 5S team leaders, you have 5S team. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, have you understand
Yes,
the
5S coordinator may be it's very
5S?
similar to the management representative. We can say.
Yeah, it could be a MR.
Okay.
The person who is implementing 5S is called as 5S coordinator here.
Here we are calling
We all-
5S coordinator.
Yeah, we all are 5S coordinators. Clear, sir?
Okay.
So, what is the role of steering committee, sir? Steering committee is plant head. He provides supports, direction, resources Here, what is his responsibility? He sets goals, allocate resources, monitors the progress, and address the major issues. Clear, sir?
Clear.
Pratik, sir? Krishna,
Yes,
sir?
Yes, sir.
Mansur, sir?
Yes, sir.
Chandan,
Yes, sir.
sir?
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Clear,
sir.
clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
So what is
Bilkul,
the
bilkul, sir.
so he is the plant head. So next to plant head, we have 5S coordinator. What is the role of 5S coordinator, sir?
He is a point of contact and coordinator for 5S activities, develop
Wonderful, sir.
implementation plans, coordinate trainings, ensure communication and oversee progress,
So
overall progress.
It's a
all the
monitor.
inputs from steering committee, that is plant head, will goes to 5S coordinator. So 5S coordinator is the person who develops the implementation plan, coordinates training, ensures communication, and oversees the progress. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Then comes 5S team leader. Who are 5S team leaders, sir?
Department heads are the 5S leaders.
Exactly, sir. Department heads are called as the 5S team leaders. So they lead the 5S activity within the specified area and department, guide the team, and conduct audits, provide feedback, and ensures adherence to 5S principle. Clear, sir?
Right.
5S teams. Wow, who are 5S teams, sir? The supervisors are the 5S team.
Right.
workers.
Exactly. The
Workers
supervisor
will-
and the teams reporting to the 5S team leader are the 5S team. And then comes the training staffs. These are some of the supporting staffs. You can have them additionally to support them or to get some insights out of it.
Yeah.
So
Consultant can be supporting staff, no?
it could be
Supporting.
also, sir. Sometimes.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, it
But
could be.
basically, you have a 5S coordinator over there. So 5S coordinator can be a consultant also, if you can. So this is how an organization structure like, sir. A steering committee with 5S coordinator, with 5S team leader and the 5S team. Zone A, Zone B, Zone C. For a small organization. So if you are having a large organization, you can have office, manufacturing, stores, and dispatches. You can have individual team like this. Clear, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you are having a company with larger organization, you can have a structure like this: office, turning shop, sheet metal, welding, machine shop, assembly, stores, and paint shop. This is how your team structure will be. If you are having a large organization, office, assembly 1, 2, 3, 4, electrical stores, mechanical stores, FG stores. So this is how your organization structure could be. So the step 1 is management commitment. So management provides leadership approval, resource allocation, clear objectives, and role modeling. These are the commitment from management. Correct, sir?
Right.
Correct, sir.
Second one is team formation. Team formation can be a cross-functional team, an area ownership team, and it should have clear responsibilities. Correct, sir?
Right.
The step 3 should be you have to provide awareness and training. Awareness about 5S, hands-on training, and clear expectation. Correct, sir?
Correct,
This
sir.
is step 3. Step 4 is select a pilot area where you have high impact area, visible in a visible location, and manageable scope. So you're checking that particular area as pilot area, and then you're doing 5S. In 5S, what do? You identify the unnecessary items, red tag, and remove the waste. And then you go for second S, set in order, define the location, label and color code, optimize the layout. Correct, sir?
Right.
Then
What
in
about
shine,
5S manual? When it is
sorry, sir.
5S manual.
5S manual means
No,
Uh,
actually,
last week
actually-
one sir explained us about 5S manual.
okay,
correct.
sir.
So, basically, the manual is prepared immediately after the objectives are driven. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Pratik sir, you got
Yes.
the answer. The manual is, of
No,
course,
I got the answer, but I wanted a sample copy of the
Fair,
manual.
right, right.
Okay, I can provide you, sir.
Okay.
I can provide you. So then you have standardize, create visual standards, SOPs and checklists, and that last one is training and audit. In sustainment phase, you can have daily discipline, regular audits, and Gemba work. So visual management like floor marking, visual boards, and status indicators. Last one is 5S checklist, scorecards, gap identification can also be done. Then final could be rewards recognition, employee recognition, and team celebration. So this is how you perform the 5S implementation steps. Then comes the 5S review committee. So what is the purpose of having a 5S review committee, sir?
One, to identify.
Check whether the standardization is implemented in practice.
One, to check whether the process you are performing isn't correct.
Yeah. To review the status of the performance, to review the status of the 5S standards.
Okay, sir. So in what fixed intervals you can have the audit?
It may be different, no?
It may be different, but how frequent? What could be your suggestion? Could be how frequent you
1
can
month,
perform?
monthly.
Monthly, I can monthly.
Monthly once.
Yeah,
So
once in a month.
as per our ISO, we perform yearly once.
It is
Yeah, in
surveillance.
QMS,
Surveillance audit,
annual.
and
Yeah.
3 years once we perform a
Surveillance.
process audit. Correct, sir?
Yeah.
So likewise, here also we can have monthly once we can have a process audit, and yearly ones. Either we can have some external consultants for auditing and certifying the level of 5S, or we ourselves can involve and get the results out of it. Clear, sir?
Yes.
So the audit can be either internal audit or external audit. What is meant by internal audit or external
As
audit?
an external auditor, can we certify the company also?
Yes, sir. You are conducting a 5S and you are rating them with the scores.
Okay, we can give the rating also.
Yeah. So you can also the basic is you have to review their red tag registers and how frequent they are performing the audit. What are the scores in the previous audit? What are the improvement points they have done? What are the suggestions? What are the scores they have received? And you can rate them as in what level they are: 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S.
Okay. How we can benchmarking the standard score?
Sorry, sir.
How we can benchmark the standard score?
This benchmarking will be discussed in the last session, sir, by GST, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
He will be taking you through the standards.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. So here audits are classified into two: internal and external. What is internal? What is external, sir?
External done by the internal employee. It can be done by the employee internally or external.
So here internal means within that zone. Within one particular zone, you are performing internal audit is called as internal audit.
This need not be the zone leader, right? Somebody else.
No, here the zone team leader will not be doing it, sir. The team member
within the department.
Supervisor will be doing this audit. This course will be reviewed by the 5S zone leader or 5S team. Clear, sir?
Clear.
So as we know that
It means we can say if a company have 10 departments,
yes,
it means there are 10 internal auditors. They are conducting the audit in their zones only.
Respective
Yes,
departments. Respective
yes,
departments.
so that is internal audit, sir.
And then how we can conclude the audit summary?
Yeah, I'm coming to the topic, sir. So first they do the internal audit, they evaluate their scores. Then as per ISO practice, we will be designating the auditors to audit that particular zone. Correct, sir?
Yeah.
So that is called as external audit. External audit can be by an external person from another department coming and auditing your department. Example, Pratik sir comes and audit Mansoor sir's department. is
Okay.
external audit.
Cross-functional.
Mansoor sir has to perform Mansoor sir's audit and he has to be with this report, all the evidences.
CFT CFT could be done as an external audit.
Everything can be done. So here, this monthly audit can be performed by the other zone leaders, so that two things can be done. One is they can learn the benefits from your thing. Correct, sir?
Okay.
Avoiding the
Okay.
bias.
Avoiding the bias could be also, sir. But here the benefit could be an external person coming to your department and he's trying to understand the merits what you have performed. So this could be one of the lesson learning for him to be implemented in his own department. Correct, sir?
This zone person also can go there and he can also learn
Exactly.
something
So the
special.
external audit, the purpose of external audit is you swap your employees or the leaders so that you evaluate them, you find them the opportunities for improvement. Also, you find the learnings, what is good or the best practices, so that can be implemented in your zone also. Correct, sir?
Correct, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir.
It is a very effective system.
So this external audit you can conduct within your team, or you can hire some external consultants, so that can be also done. So it can be done either or the way. So based on this, you will be evaluating the scores on monthly basis. On the end of the 12th month, you will be accumulating the scores and you will be rewarding those 10 departments who is the winner of 5S. Clear, sir?
Clear,
Yes, sir.
Sir, is there any checklist for auditing?
I think yes. In the last session, you would have got it, sir. Last week,
shared. Yeah, it was
the last
shared.
session,
Pratik sir, I have it in mobile. I will share it to you. Okay.
because last week, in the last session, Mr.
Okay.
Veer Raghavan sir would have shared with the 5S checklist.
Okay.
Yeah. That is a only template, a model template. You can
Yes,
modify it according
you
to
can
your.
modify it based on your own organization, sir, or your own procedure or your own way. It's a sample. It's a guide. It's a reference that based on this you can modify based on your application, your scope of industry. It need not be the same for the organization ABC.
Correct.
Clear, sir?
Sir, review committee and steering committee, both are same or are different?
Different, sir. Different. Steering committee is top management. Review committee will be under the plant head, sir.
Okay.
So here the 5S review committee will be done by reviewed by the 5S coordinator, sir. So he regularly audits and inspects. He performs the evaluation. He performs the action plan, training and education, policies and procedures, continuous improvement, and communication reporting. So you have to think in a broader way, sir. If you are having 12 departments in your organization, it is not possible to educate all the thousands or 2,000 employees in your organization. So you can educate any 5 or 10 within your company, and you must have a cascading learning. Correct, sir?
Yes.
So
They will teach their department team.
it's like our internal auditors. We try to educate our internal auditors, and then the responsibility of the internal auditors is to educate to their department about the procedures. Same way, we will be having a 5S coordinators. We will be teaching them about the 5S to the 5S coordinators, and the 5S coordinators should take the lead so that they effectively do the 5S activities in their department. Clear, sir?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Pratik sir,
So-
please confirm.
Clear,
Sorry,
clear.
sir?
Pratik sir.
Yes. Pratik sir, do you have any questions, sir?
No.
Mansur sir, Krishna sir. Okay, sir. The KPIs for 5S implementation are 5S audit scores, 5S incidents, productive improvements, and sustenance index. So first, the roadmap for 5S implementation is you plan a pilot area, roll out, audit, and sustain. This is how you will be having your 5S implementation roadmap. Clear, sir? Then we are having two topics to be discussed for today's day, sir. The one is psychology of employing blue collar workers in 5S training. So, what all problems you may face when you are trying to educate the blue collar workers or the employees?
Basically, they are not agree with the training, basically.
So who are all blue? They never understand our problems, sir. They tells us you are in favor of management. Please don't come and pressurize us. Correct, sir?
Yes, yes.
So we don't want any 1S, 2S, 3S or 4S. We come, we do our daily routine, we go back. Say they perform a strong resistance towards implementation. Correct, sir? Correct, sir? Mansur, sir? Krishna, sir?
Yes, sir.
Jagat,
Yes, sir.
So there is a golden rule, sir. We do with employee, not to the employee, sir. What does this mean, sir? Do with employee, not to the employees means.
It has to be
Involve all the
implemented
employees.
through employees.
Involve the
Yeah, exactly.
employees. Involve the employees. Not
We have
direct the
to,
employees.
yeah, as like compliance as engagement.
Yeah.
So we
If
have
they
to
are
educate them.
involving, they are engaging, they will involve.
Exactly, sir.
They have
We are
to
trying.
check, they have to clean. Without them, it is not possible.
Exactly,
Yeah,
sir.
of course.
Wonderful,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that is a golden rule of 5S. So who are all blue collar workers, sir? Who has hands-on experience, skills and experience already they have. They are practical and action oriented and outcome focused. Correct, sir? They are called as blue collar workers. Mansur sir, Sri Krishna sir, Jagat sir, correct sir, Pratik sir.
If there is a union means, worker union means, it will create a nuisance.
We have to first we have to approach the union, ask them to accept with our terms, and
Sir, in
then
my experience, we are trying to install one pneumatic manipulator for machine shop. Machine shop means it is a gear manufacturing company.
okay, sir.
Each gear weighs 150 kilos, 200 kilos, like that. For facing two sides, they are taking the gear out of the machine. They are hanging in electric hoist, and they are turning, and they are doing slow work. We suggested them to use this pneumatic manipulator so that it will grip, and we can change it immediately. But after our proposal, we thought that we can implement in 12 to 15 stations. But
Yes, sir.
after giving the quotation, what they said is, industrial engineering team, they consulted with this workers union. They rejected it, saying that if this manipulator is installed, even trainee can remove the work from the machine and place it on the machine easily.
Exactly, sir.
This experienced person, he is pretending that he is doing building a rocket. So the complete proposal got dropped because of this silly reason.
So
Blue collar workers are basically जो है ना basically labor oriented जो है labor focused workers जो
yes, sir.
intensive
So
labor where required.
Yeah, they have this worker union. No, if it is there is a good and bad in that union, but in this case, it will create a nuisance.
Labor.
This is an improvement project, and imagine 200 kilo gear falling on them. What will happen? It will lead to severe accident. They don't
sir,
understand it.
sir, for your suggestion, here is the psychology, sir. So the problem is behavior is based. So you have
Yes.
to understand their behavior.
Sir, even labor laws are in favor of laborers. We cannot do anything.
Basically, they are not easily adjustable. They are not adjusting the environment, the change of environment. That is
Yes,
the
sir.
behavior, basically.
Sir,
of
because
people.
it is in the next slide, sir. So here the topic is how to change the psychology of blue collars. So basically, they have behavior based, sir. So we have to understand their behavior and we have to provide suggestions, solution based on their behavior. Second one is habits change is required. Third one is resistance is natural because they are not so much educated, so that they provide strong resistance towards any changes. Last one is sustainability depends upon their mindset. Correct, sir?
Correct, correct.
Yeah, yes.
We have to first of all understand their psychology before implementing 5S. Second one, common mindsets are we have to respect their experience
Sir,
over theory.
also they will feel that I'm doing this job since so many years. You are a new person coming and teaching me. This is not correct like that.
So that is a common mindset. They have a mindset like we have to respect their experience rather than theories.
You have
Many
education knowledge. I have experience knowledge.
So many times experience wins than theories. Second one is we have to learn by doing. We have to prefer simplicity and we have to have a strong peer influence. So we are trying to implement. If you are trying to implement 5S in an organization, you have to discuss. If you don't, if you are having union, you have to first convince the union by taking them to the places where 5S is already been implemented, and make sure that they are understanding the 5S basics, the benefits of 5S, and then they can come and influence all the team over here. Without this, it is not possible to have a 5S implementation. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Correct,
So we have to understand their psychology. Second, we have to understand their mindset. Then, third one is, so common problems are fear of loss of job. Mansur, sir.
In my example, he was fearing that normal trainee can replace him
So
if that
one is
manipulator is installed.
exactly, sir. One is fear of job. Second one is fear of extra work. Third one is past failed initiatives. In past, they would have provided some suggestions or improvements, but the management has rejected it. The fourth one is lack of trust. Lack of trust is they say that okay, yes, new management came. Now they are trying to do something, but they will never implement it. They would go back to the old in the past what they have done. Correct, sir?
Previously, also it happened.
So we have to understand these things while implementing 5S. Clear, sir?
Yes.
Clear, sir, clear.
Then, whenever you are trying to change anything, whenever you are trying to change anything in your organization, first of all, ask before changing. Get the ideas of the operator. Respect the experience. Many times we fail to do this. Correct, sir?
Yes, 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 yes.
So this becomes a problem in long run. Correct, sir?
Sir, we have to get knowledge from the person in the field. We cannot take decisions based on charts,
Theories.
based on numbers, etc.
So what if you're going and approaching an operator and getting his values and ideas? How can it boost your implementation factor, sir?
Sir,
Will the
please
operator
come
will be
again.
supporting you,
We
or will
can,
the
sir, we can
operator
better understand their problems.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So whenever you're trying to make some changes in your department, you just go and consult him. Like, I'm planning to do the small changes in the department. Can he give you your valuable ideas or input? He will be more satisfied. Correct, sir?
Yes.
It's true.
Because you are respecting him.
Yes, it's true, sir.
So this respect will boost his morale.
Sir,
So,
now another problem is the contract workers.
yes, sir.
Now, today I have seen one post. Some senior person is saying that world-class quality cannot be achieved through contract workers.
It is true, sir.
So here you teach this contract workers everything. After that, 1 year he will leave. New worker come. He
It
don't know
happens.
anything.
So for this only, we are performing SOPs. We are having a cascading team training knowledge.
Okay.
Or in the implementation of 5S, you don't consider their 5S operators, sir, contract operators.
Okay.
Clear, sir? So we have to respect them. We have to build an ownership, assign area ownership, involved in decisions, that the team decides the layout. So these are some of the areas where you can motivate them and
Sir, this contract labor depend on our from company to company it may vary. Some company they may have many contract workers. They have to get involved in 5S process. Otherwise, things will not move.
here this also comes under management decisions, sir. Management can think whether they can decide on including the contract team or not. In many companies, as you said, they never involve them in these initiatives because they get trained. If you train them, they will be here for some time and they move away.
Sir, a contract worker may be operating a machine. He has to clean it. So he is automatically involved in this 5S process.
It depends upon organization, sir.
Yes.
It can be decided with the steering committee and the top management, sir. It's a call from the team. Then the rewards and recognition like public appreciation, 5S best 5S area awards, and small but frequent awards. So these could be some psychological changes for the operators. Do's and don'ts are show the benefits first. Start with small. Celebrate the win. Be consistent. These are some do's and don'ts are don't threaten them. Don't overload them. Don't ignore their feedbacks. So this shouldn't be done while implementing or training 5S to the operators. Clear, sir?
Yes.
So the benefits could be higher engagement, lower resistance, fast adoption, and sustainable 5S. Clear, sir?
Yes.
The last one is the psychology of employing 5S. So the operators provide cognitive strength, skill assessment, informal workplace, social support, and time pressure. What does cognitive strength mean, sir? What is cognitive strength means?
Observing, understanding.
Problem solving skills.
Please explain.
So they themselves can understand the problem and they can sort out or come back with some solution. Mohan sir, Pratik sir.
Cognitive means how we can, how person can memorize the things and how can the problem solve.
Exactly, sir. So a blue collar works often possess strong spatial reasoning, practical problem solving skills, and the ability to adapt to hands-on tasks. So this has to be improved. Clear, sir?
Yes,
Jagat,
yes.
sir?
Please repeat, sir,
Second.
cognitive strength.
Sorry, sir.
Please repeat again about cognitive strength.
So, sir, a blue collar worker possesses strong problem solving skills, sir. So these skills and help him in solving some critical problems or critical issues in the organization.
Okay, what is
Where
meaning of cognitive?
cognitive means problem solving, sir.
Okay, okay.
Not problem creator, basically.
So box and the unique solution so that you are searching for it or waiting for it. Clear, sir?
Clear, sir,
Yes.
clear.
Then what is skill assessment, sir?
Assessing their skills.
Skill matrix.
How much competent to do the work,
Yes, sir. Skill
To
matrix.
do that particular job.
particular
So
job, yes.
in organization we have skill matrix like 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what is 1, sir?
Education can be the parameter for
So he needs training.
training.
Yes.
2 is
Is trained to employee, but not to the this thing. With some guidance, he will perform the
Partial
duty.
knowledge.
so he can do his job with some guidance.
Yes.
3, he can do the job.
Individually do the job.
He can
Do
do
the
the job individually.
Right.
4th
And he
is
can train
Expert.
also.
others.
Expert. He can
Or
train
train
also.
others. So you have to review them periodically and then move them for operators from 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 or 3 to 4. Correct, sir?
Right.
Yes.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
is skill
Yes.
assessment.
Okay.
Then what is meant by informal workplace, sir? What is meant by informal workplace, sir? So here you are having 2, 3 departments, sir. One is turning, second one is hopping, and third one is grinding, sir. You are taking the operators from one department to other department and providing them the training. So it is not a planned training, it's an informal training. You are taking a set of 10, 15 people, moving there and understanding the improvements that is done in this particular location.
This is
Clear,
hands-on training or just visualizing?
It's a visualizing, sir. It is not a planned one.
Okay.
We are just taking a team of people, understanding that, see, we have a
To visit
problem.
the other department's work.
Yeah, see, we have a problem with
To
cleaning
observe.
the 5S. Yes, sir. Here they have done an excellent 5S implementation in this particular machine. So you just understand what all they have done and try to improve in our area. So this is informal workplace training, sir.
Okay.
Social support. 4th one. What is social support, sir?
We should respect the persons who are involved in 5S. Ethical. It should be ethical practice.
Support from team colleagues.
Exactly, sir. You are supporting them with social aids like videos, images, theories. Clear, sir?
Okay. Understand.
The last one is time pressure. What is time pressure,
Sir,
sir?
social support means, for example, a particular employee is absent.
Yes, sir.
During his absence, his colleague can perform that work so that that 5S thing can be sustained for a short period of time.
Yeah, it can be sustained, sir, but the recognition shouldn't be mapped over it. You are doing a good thing in your department. You are leave
Sorry.
for 2 days. So this is the morale of the employee. Correct, sir?
Sir, sorry, your
Example.
voice got disconnected.
So example, sir. You are doing 5S in your department. Okay, sir.
Okay.
But the credit goes to your boss.
Usually it happens.
Usually it happens, but it shouldn't happen.
It should not
So
happen.
this affects the psychology of the employee. Correct, sir?
Yes, obviously.
So you have to give the credit to him. And the last one is time pressure. What is time pressure, sir?
Last minute rushing.
Job should be done within a time frame.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
objective
Sir.
should be done. Yeah.
Exactly.
Deadline.
Exactly. If you are considering you are trying to implement the 5S in 12 weeks. Okay, sir. Till 10th week, no improvement. Till 10th week, 0 improvement. In the last 2 weeks, you shouldn't pressure your employee to implement 5S. This is time bound.
Okay.
This pressure will directly or indirectly affect your 5S implementation. Clear, sir?
Clear.
Yes.
So what
It can
can
be
we do?
affect production also, no?
Sorry,
No,
sir.
no, sir.
It can be affect production also.
Everything,
The
sir.
Obviously,
quality of the production.
everything,
In this
everything.
condition, your management may accept and tell you that you can stop your production for 2 weeks and implement 5 years. But
Yeah, it
this
may
could be a
possible.
Not in many
pressure
cases.
for the
It
operators.
could be possible.
Many times it happens.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So someone is asking anything, sir? Sir?
The delays are acceptable to management means obviously.
Sir, delays are acceptable by the management. But the problem is your employee doesn't understand the 5S basics.
Mm-hmm.
So you are loading him too much. You are implementing 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S in a short span of time.
Mm-hmm.
So he forgets everything after 2 weeks. Clear, sir?
Clear.
So
It
it
has
shouldn't be
to be
bothered.
it has to be absorbed by the employees, not you cannot push it down his throat.
So it should be a gradual process.
Yeah, it can be,
It should be a
it
gradual
should be
process.
followed timely. It
It
should be
should it
followed
shouldn't be
timely.
like it shouldn't be like it shouldn't be like this. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, sir. So these are the psychology of employees. The last one is what are the methods of making the training interactive and effective? How can you make your training interactive and effective, sir? What all you can do to make them understand 5S better?
Like what you are doing right now.
Yes, sir. So-
Am I right? Am I right?
You have to tell me, sir.
No, that's what I feel. Maybe
Yes,
most
sir.
of the
Yes,
part-
yes, sir. Sai Krishnan, sir, right, sir.
Thank you, sir. So one thing could be case studies, sir. You can bring some case studies and make them learn. Second one is peer learning, sir. You can learn from your colleagues. Third one is you can have some visuals. You can show your visuals and make them learn. Clear, sir?
Right.
Then you can have some gamification. You can ask them to perform some games and then make them learn. Like you can conduct some slogan competition. You can conduct some quiz competition. You can perform some. You can give a small place and ask them to implement 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S. So and reward them based on the rewards. You can have a 5S competitions. Clear, sir?
Through
Yes.
case studies, you can show the benefits.
Yes, sir. You can explain them. You can take some case studies of well-established organization with 5S, and then you can educate them. Then you can have an on-the-job training. You can take them and you can train them by implement in a step-by-step or sequential manner. You can provide them with visual aids. You can provide them with. You can show some videos of how 5S is implemented. Then you can educate them and you can have a continuous improvements. These are some of the ways of making the training interactive and effective. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So one is hands-on activity, sir. What all we can do in hands-on activity, sir? Arun sir, Jagat sir, Shaktivel sir. Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Hands-on activity.
What is hands-on activity, sir? You can have you can take them to a pilot area and then try to ask them to do them and then you can make them learn. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
And you are trying to,
Instruction is also the hands-on training or hands-on
yeah,
activity.
you are trying to monitor them.
We are giving the instructions. Yeah.
Exactly, sir. Second one is visual aids. What is meant by visual aids, sir?
Pictorials. These are the pictorials.
Exactly,
It may
sir.
be
Sir,
it may be
Yes,
reel,
showing-
it may be posters.
Exactly, sir. We are showing some images and asking them to learn from it. Third one is interactive workshops.
Yeah.
Your HR team organizes some external
Small
consultants.
seminars within the departments.
Yes, sir. It could be within the department, or you can have some externals from outsides or experts, so that they come and teach you about the past implementation experience. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The fourth one could be role plays.
The responsibility assigned to the team members.
Yes, sir. You are assigning them a role, and you are conducting a training where you are asking the team to participate in them, and you are assigning the roles for each and every one, and then you are trying to monitor them, you are trying to educate them. Correct, sir?
Yeah.
Then gamification. Gamification, I have explained you, sir. You are conducting a
Yeah, of
5S
course.
event,
Yeah, through the
5S
games.
competitions within your team, and then learning from it. Then last one is we have case based learning. Then we have on the job training, peer learning, continuous improvement. The last one is storytelling. So case study and storytelling more or less same, but in case studies we'll be having some journals. In storytelling you can have some videos of it, and the ways how it was implemented, so that could aid them learn more. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
Clear, sir.
So we are closing for today, sir. Sorry, how was the session?
It was very good.
Session was good, sir.
Very nice.
Session was
informative.
informative.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very informative.
Thank you
Interactive.
for a good session. Another good session, sir.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. So if there is anything is to be improved, please let me know, sir. I'll take
Yeah.
the points and try to improve it.
Please provide some notes about the KPIs.
Yeah, I have noted down, sir.
You assured to me. Yeah.
Some
But
manual
tomorrow Yes,
Sir,
manuals.
Sir, Dinesh sir, if possible, share a glimpse of the audit conducted with the report.
Okay, sir. I will try to
Sir,
check.
better to have some reports for us, so
For
that
better
if
understanding,
you
sir.
want,
Sir,
or if you want to prepare any report, we can take it as a reference.
Sure, sir. I will try to, sir, as of now, I don't have any report as of now, sir. I will try to check with the team. If anything available, I can share you. So, regarding manuals and KPIs, if at all it is not possible to do it by tomorrow, before the end of the course, I will try to share you, sir.
Okay.
The same
Okay.
WhatsApp.
Sure.
And then tomorrow we will be discussing about the implementation phase of 5S, sir. And I will be taking you through. Yeah, regarding audit checklist also, I will make a note out of it, sir. So tomorrow we will be discussing about. Yes, sir. I will be taking you through implementation of 5S in some organizations, sir, like industries, hospitals, then IT sectors.
Yeah, different types of industries. So
Different
that
type of industries. Yeah.
So I will be
So
taking
we
you
can
through
understand
here.
better. We can better understanding the implementation of 5S.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
And how we can prepare the checklist
we
also.
can also get idea that it can be implemented in different industries apart from manufacturing one.
Yeah, I will
We
be
can
taking
idea
you.
for preparing the checklist also.
Yes, sir. I will be taking you through hospitals, IT sectors, and then office 5S. In office 5S can be, how can we implement 5S? Because we all know about implementing 5S in manufacturing sector. Basically, we would have seen, or we know what all could be done in 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S. So we'll be discussing about 5S implementation for hospitals, IT sectors, schools.
Sir,
and then-
implementing 5S in offices seems to be easy one when compared to shop floor.
Shop floor manufacturing.
Okay,
units.
sir. So tomorrow I'll be taking you through, sir. Then after seeing that, please let me know which is easier.
Sure.
Implementing in office is easier, or implementing in shop floor is easier?
Manufacturing is easier. Yeah. Shop floor is easier. Yeah.
Because
You're right.
shop floor, you say they do.
Case to case.
No, in shop floor you say they do. In manufacturing sector, you say Sorry, in office you
Office.
say they don't do.
Please do. I will take care of my job.